Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to put reminder on iPhone home screen. You can easily put a reminder on your iPhone home screen using the reminders widget. Here's how to do it. Press and hold anywhere on the home screen until the icons start to jiggle. At the top left corner, tap the plus button to open the widget gallery. Scroll down or just use the search bar to find the reminders widget. The reminders widget comes in multiple sizes: small, medium, and large. Each size shows a different amount of reminders. Small shows a single reminder. Medium shows more reminders from a single list. Large displays even more reminders or reminders from multiple lists. Now, you'll be prompted to choose which reminders list you want the widget to display. You can choose any of your existing list. So I choose the large. Tap Add Widget to place it on your home screen. Drag the widget to your desired location on the home screen. Once you're happy with the widget's placement, tap Done or just press the Home button on all the iPhones to save the layout. By following these steps, you'll have the easy access to your reminders directly from your home screen, helping you stay on top of your tasks throughout the day. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.